You don't get it at all, Sammy. It's Black Friday.
Black? Looks perfectly bright to me.
Today, stores have huge discounts. I must use it.
Good thing I've got savings. Do they have sweets?
They do! Hurry up, or we'll miss the best offers.
Look, I've brought all I have. I hope that'll be enough.
Sam, the delivery is here. Want to check it out?
What are you saying?
Our order.
Wow, open it, Sue. Fast, fast. I'm so curious, it's itchy.
Look at this, Sammy. This looks so cute and bright and pretty. I bet these are gonna be fun to play with. I really want to know what's inside.
Oh, I hope there's a boxing kit inside. I'm already good at boxing. But I can get even better.
I'm afraid it's not a boxing kit. Instead, we've got this doll.
A doll?
Oh, Sammy, we just need to upgrade her.
Okay.
Look, she's not wearing any makeup. Let's help her, shall we? What do we have in here? Oh, a full makeup set. Lovely. Now leave this job for the world's best makeup artist.
She must be cold. And absent-minded. She's lost both her clothes and her hair.
It was very sweet, Sam. Now, let's see what we've got in this blind baggie. Ow, it's getting cuter and cuter. Look at these shoes and the dress, the sweetest. So, first we'll put on the dress, like this. Oh, is it a crease? No. Good. Next up, the shoes. I'll put them on slowly and carefully. And the second one is done, too. Great job!
Wow! Look, Sue! We're matching! What a lovely coincidence!
Indeed. How about white hair?
White doesn't match my skin color. You should know it better. Ouch!
Sorry, Sammy. It slipped my mind. Anyway, we're done here. Look at her! Isn't she a beauty? She'll be such a nice addition to my collection. Right, Sam?
I've been thinking. You're actually too old to be playing with toys. Let's go, pretty lady. I'll show you my collection of sugar packets.
Wait, what did he mean by too old?
I bet it's a rainbow bracelet kit. I want to have a necklace.
Not really. It's something better. A Pear Book Pro.
Look at that guy. He looks like a successful businessman.
Yes, ladies, I am an entrepreneur. Oh no, my new laptop.
So clumsy. He's not really worth our attention.
No. Wait, please, don't leave. Come back. No! Sue, how about we check what model's inside?
Yes, I'm very curious about that. Let's open this up. Wow, it's the latest model, so shiny and stylish. I already imagine how many cool videos I'll be able to watch on this McPeer. And look at this, Sammy. This laptop even has these pretty decorations. Aw, look at this cute wallpaper. I love Cinnamoroll.
You're right, Susie. This laptop is the best of the best. If you like it too, friends, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Look at this keyboard, Sam. I bought it on sale and it was the right decision. Very convenient. I simply love how stylish this laptop is. Anyway, let's see what we've got there. Ah, what was that? Sam, I know it's you. Give me my laptop back.
Oh, you don't have girls to impress. I really need this Pear Book. Not again. And what's this?
Huh, it's my new phone, you silly.
On this new phone, I will be able to play games for hours and the battery won't die. Yay. Why do I keep dropping things?
Oh my, what a beauty! What can be better than this exciting feeling of unpacking a new phone?
Maybe the feeling of getting this phone for free?
You're right, that would be awesome. Now listen to this sound. Cool, right? Would you just look at this cuteness?
Wow, Sue, you're so lucky. I wish I had a phone like this one too. Oh, can I have a closer look at it?
Sure.
Thanks! Ow, it is so pretty. I just remembered, I have an urgent call to make. Hello? Yeah, it's me.
Sam, give me my phone back. I guess Sam needs my purchases more than me. Luckily, I can craft another set for myself. Here we go.
Did I hear the word craft? Count me in. I can be very useful. You'll see. Yoo-hoo! Coloring is fun! And who's the master at this? I am.
Then I'll color the letters. Our inscription is gonna be bright. Sammy, why are you so quiet all of a sudden? Sammy, hello?
Whoa! Help me, Sue! I'm stuck! This tape captured me! I don't know how it happened! Whew, I'm alright, I think.
Don't worry, I'll set you free. Hold on. Careful, careful.
Phew! Thank you, Sue! I thought I'd be stuck there forever.
I always got your back, Sam. Now look at what we've made together.
Hey, come on. Don't be shy. We need to take your measurements before making clothes for you. And this is Sue! She makes the best outfits ever!
Aw, thanks for such high praise, Sammy. I won't let you down, I promise. Now, I'll draw the outlines of the face. We need 2 large, pretty eyes. Yes, these ones look very lovely. And I'll add long eyelashes too. Now let's do the coloring. I will make the dress. Sky blue. It's a nice color for our doll. I will also color all the fluffy parts, and the ruffles are going to be green. Blue and green go nicely together. Right, Sam? Sam, where are you?
I thought you might need this, Sue. I've been very careful this time.
Right about time, Sammy. Here we go. This will make everything durable. Now, we need to cut everything out. Whoosh! Voila! Haha, this trick always works. Awesome! Now it's time to make a laptop. I have some parts ready here, but we need to make them less flat.
Let a professional do it. Do they need an injection?
That's not what I meant. We simply need to put this inside.
Now I see.
Yeah, I want this laptop to be as puffy as possible.
Here you go, Sue. Take it. Whoa! The keyboard is eating me! Help! Sue, where are you?
Stay still, Sammy.
Whew, thanks, Susie.
All that's left to do is to close up this opening with sticky tape so that nothing gets out. And that's what we've got, a nice squishy laptop. Now I'll just put the 2 parts together, and that's it.
And I've got the rest, Sue. Can we assemble the phone now, please? I really want to do that. Huh, weird. I think these tools must have been expired. They aren't working. I need some help here. My tools have gone bad. What to do?
Oh, Sammy, we don't really need those tools. Just some sticky tape is enough. Now watch closely so you don't miss anything. See? Easy peasy. We've got this squishy, cool gadget ready, and it looks like the real thing. Let's switch it on. Hey, why wouldn't it turn on?
I think I know just the trick.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh.
Wow, awesome. Well done, Sam.
Yes, don't forget I'm a talented…
I hope you're okay over there, Sammy. How about we make a package for the cell phone next?
Say no more. I know exactly what to do. Ta-da! Oopsie, not what I meant to do. But worry not. Accidents happen. Another try. Here, that should do it.
Thanks, it's lovely.
I know. We just need a few final touches. Wait and you'll see. Abracadabra! Just another second. Here it is.
Wow, that was really fast, but we needed second half.
Or do we? A present for you, Sue.
Thank you, Sammy. You always know what we need next. Let me just attach this picture here.
And it's done.
Great job. Thanks so much for your help.
Anytime.
Ah, I just love it. I'm sure that if the real pear book existed, it would look just like this one.
Excuse me, where can I find that business guy?
Huh? Who are you talking about?
Yes, I'm a very successful business slime. Ever heard of Sam Zuckerberg? Whoa, careful!
While Sam is enjoying his newfound popularity, give this video a like and subscribe. Bye-bye, we love y'all!